Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Yes?
And thank you to explain the significance of what is now the Jagannath festival.
Jagannath festival is significant is that when Krishna left Vrindavan, Krishna was raised by his foster father, Nanda Maharaj. But when he was grown up, 16 years old, he was taken away by his real father, Vasudeva, and they left Vrindavan, Krishna and Balarama, two brothers. And they were resident, their kingdom was in Dwarka. So, in Kurukshetra is always Dharmakshetra, pilgrimage. There was some lunar, solar eclipse, and many persons from many parts of India, they came to take bath. So similarly, Krishna, Balaram, and their sister Subhadra, they also came in royal fashion with so many soldiers and so many, just like king. So these residents of Vrindavan, they met Krishna, and especially the gopis, they saw Krishna, and they lamented that Krishna, you are here, we are also here, but the place is different. We are not in Vrindavan. So, there is a long story how they lamented and how Krishna pacified them. This is a feeling of separation, how the inhabitants of Vrindavan felt separation from Krishna. So this, when Krishna came on chariot, that is called Rath Yatra. This is the history of Rath Yatra. So any pastimes made by Krishna, that is observed in ceremonial form by the devotees, so that is Rath Yatra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,